Hi, this is Diana for ExpertVillage.com, and we have just steam cleaned our carpet at home with the rental machine called the Rug Doctor. So I've passed one way and then I've done the cross way to get all the stains up. And now we have to let our carpet dry. Usually most of the water is sucked up back into the machine, so you won't have to let it dry for a really long time. But I recommend doing it on a sunny day, a dry day. If it was rainy outside, of course it would take longer to dry. So we've done our carpet on a sunny day when we're going to be out of the house for a few hours. We don't want any kids and pets running across our carpet while it's still a little bit damp. So I'm just going to open the windows, open the doors, and let the warm air flow through. And then our carpet should be dry completely in about 6 hours.